Cleaning carpets is a difficult activity, especially if it has permanent stains. To save yourself from straining when cleaning the carpet, buy a portable carpet cleaner. These cleaners are lightweight and easy to lift from one place to another. In this video we'll look at the top 5 best portable carpet cleaners that are available on the market today.
I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, Bissell 15651 ProHeat 2X Liftoff Portable Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Portable Carpet Cleaner is perfect for sucking and removing embedded stains and dirt. Further, it has 2 machines in one. These include the portable lift-off cleaner and a full-size carpet cleaner. The features a 3-inch tough stain tool plus a spraying crevice tool for removing tough messes from the stairs and hard-to-reach areas. Most importantly, it eliminates 90% of odor-causing bacteria. You can use it with antibacterial formula plus deep clean. Remarkably, it weighs 24.2 pounds. Being lightweight, you can easily carry it around. On top of that, it features a detachable and upright cleaning. At number 4, Bissell 1548F ProHeat 2X Revolution Upright Portable Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell store's carpet cleaner is lightweight and easy to carry from one place to the next. Having a low-profile foot, it fits around and under furniture. Moreover, it has 12 rows of rotating double dirt lifter brushes. This helps to deliver professional-grade cleaning. As a result, it will remove dirt, odors, and embedded stains. Amazingly, this powerful cleaner takes about 30 minutes only to clean. On top of that, it has a 7-feet hose. Also, it includes pet spot cleaning tools for cleaning stairstep beds and upholstery. In conclusion, it weighs 22.7 pounds only. At number 3, Bissell 1400B MultiPurpose Upholstery Portable Carpet Cleaner. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b0016hf5gk. This portable carpet cleaner by Bissell is ideal for saving pets. Greater than it tackles tough stains and spots to ensure powerful suction. You can take it on large and small cleanups. On top of that, it has removable water tanks to ensure easy emptying and filling. Then again, the tank has a capacity of 48 ounces. Therefore, it holds more content for long-term cleaning. After use, the hydro rinse tool helps to clean the hose. In addition to that, the 3-inch stain tool ensures easy cleaning of the toughest stains. Remarkably, it features a power rating of 3 amps. The long hose ensures flexibility during cleanup. At number 2, Bissell 3624 Professional Corded Portable Carpet Cleaner. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b008dbrfbk. This portable carpet cleaner by Bissell is ideal for saving pets. First and foremost, it is very powerful for quick cleaning. It cleans stairs, carpets, auto interiors, and upholstery. It combines superior scrubbing action, suction, and professional cleaning. As a result, it removes embedded dirt and stubborn stains. Amazingly, it offers a deep clean to leave you with professional results. Further, it removes tough messes. Also, it protects against future stains. Not to forget, the cleaner features a 6-inch stair tool to ensure easy cleaning of the stairs. Then again, it has a 3-inch stain tool plus a trial-size bottle. Remarkably, it weighs 16.46 pounds. Finally, at number 1, ThisWorx Corded Handheld Portable Carpet Cleaner. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b06xi896zm. To keep away dust, dirt, or crumbs, get a portable carpet cleaner from the ThisWorx store. To begin with, it removes dry or wet messes, pet hair, cigarette ashes, and liquids. Although it is tiny, the cleaner is very powerful. It has an 8.8 amp motor that produces 106 watts of power. Besides, it has a 16-foot long power cord for flexibility. You can connect this cord to the vehicle's 12-volt lighter port. On the other hand, the trash container ensures easy emptying. This container has a lid for keeping the trash locked in. Remarkably, it has 3 all-purpose nozzles. In addition to that, it has a carry bag for portability. Most importantly, it has a filter cleaning brush plus 1 spare HEPA filter. To finish, this portable carpet cleaner weighs 2.4 pounds.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.